Did you know beginners are making $100 to $700 a month with print on demand? You don't need to have any experience, and the best part is it can be done for free. There are a lot of sites to list your designs or simple text and make passive income every month from the design you uploaded one time. And don't worry if you're an artistic, there are free templates you can use or places you can go to get the design made for you. I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to do this so you can have more money coming into your life every month. So let's go ahead and get started right now. First of all, what is print on demand? It's a fulfillment method where you list your designs on sites, which I will share with you in a minute. And when someone purchases a product, the product is made with a design on it and shipped to the customer, and you receive a percentage of the sale. This could be on a t-shirt, mug, baseball cap, mask, or tons of items, which you can see here. So after you upload your design, decide on what items the design will be on and optimize your listing. You don't have to do any of the work or customer service. And you can list as many designs or scenes as you want and on multiple sites. So the first thing you want to do is decide on what theme of design you want to create, and it doesn't have to be a design, it can just be text. Some of the best-selling t-shirts are simple white text on a black t-shirt, bringing in a lot of money for people. You could do an evergreen niche like religion, positive quotes or trends, a political theme, or really anything that's trending. An example would be van life. There are a lot of people now traveling, living out of their vehicle, and living the digital nomad lifestyle. I even saw someone who travels the country and lives out of her Toyota Prius with her dog. I drive one, so I can't imagine living out of it full time. But anyway, van life would be a good niche topic. A good way to check to see if people are actually searching for what you're selling is to go to Google Trends and see if it's trending, and then go to a free keyword tool and see how many searches there are a month and what the competition is. And you can see that van life does have over 44,000 searches a month. Funny t-shirts are always good as well, and since COVID has been trending way too long, you can see what people have for designs around vaccination and COVID in general. You can see some of the designs here. You can also go to Etsy, Pinterest, and Amazon and see what people are searching for, so you know what people are already wanting to buy. So Etsy is a search engine just like Amazon, so you could type in something like funny t-shirts and then see what other things people are searching for. You could just go through the alphabet, put an A, B. That actually works better on Amazon. So if you go to Amazon and just type in funny t-shirts, and then you could go through the alphabet there as well and see what people are actually searching for to buy. So that's really powerful to know what people are actually searching to buy. You can also go to Pinterest and look for funny memes. I also find funny nurses pages to be really funny, so you can get some good ideas from this as well. I also found this video on YouTube, and you know the signs businesses put out in front and have funny sayings on? Some of these are so funny and would be really great on a t-shirt. But make sure you stick around to the end, because I'm going to share with you a ninja trick to find products that are proven to sell. You can model after very easily and potentially make some really good sales as well. So after we decide on what we want to put on a t-shirt, we can go to canva.com and click on create a design. And you'll see right here where it says t-shirt, just click on that. And you can see all these different templates that you can use here. Most of them are free. The one that says pro, you do have to pay for, but a lot of these are free. So you could just pick one of the designs and modify anything on it. You could change the font, what it says, of course, the colors, anything. Then there's other things that you can add here, like text, elements. So if, for example, you wanted to find a van, you could search van and see what comes up. You could put this maybe on here, take some of this other out and write van life or something like that, digital nomad. You can also go to Pixabay, so there's a lot of great images on here that you could use. And if you click on more here, you can see there's emojis and all kinds of different things that you can use to create your design. I made this one right here with one of the funny sayings on that video. A big nose is no excuse for not wearing a mask. I mean, I still wear underwear. So that's an example of something you could do. And when you get the design like you want it, you'll come right here and click on the download. You want to make it as large as possible, and then click on transparent background. Now you can use this for free for 30 days, but in order to get the transparent background, you'll have to do Pro, which is not a lot a month. But you can also go to remove.bg and upload the image here and remove the background there as well. And if you really don't want to do it yourself, you can go to Fiverr.com and have a design created for $5. So you can see some of these here. Or you could go to Upwork and search graphic designers in the Philippines, because it costs a lot less to hire someone in the Philippines, and they do speak good English, and you can get a lot of good workers from there. And they may charge like $10 to $15 an hour, and you can have a lot of designs created in that 1 hour. And where do you go to upload this design? There's several sites, and these are just a few: Zazzle, Redbubble, Teespring, Society6, TeePublic, Threadless, and Cafe Press. But these are just some of many print-on-demand sites. You want to be very consistent in uploading designs, and I would say at least 3 a day, and upload the same design on all the different sites. I do have a video on how to create an account and upload, which I will post below. That's on Redbubble, but it's really simple to create an account and upload a design. So make sure you check that out, because you also want to connect your payment with it in order to activate your store. So if we go to Redbubble, you can see I already have an account, and this is one of the designs I created a while back. But if you want to add another product, you just go right here where it says add new work, and then you can just drag and drop, and you can see your design will be uploaded here. You can also, if you wanted to, put it in different languages, and then you'll add title, tags, and a description. And then this gives you a preview of all the different items that you can put your design on. And if you decide it doesn't look good or make sense on a certain item, you can just take it off here. Or like this doesn't fit on there, you can edit it to make it fit, or just simply disable it and it won't be on that particular item. And that's it. You just come up with designs on a regular basis, and imagine if a few take off and make $100 a month each. That can add up to a really good side income. So how can you find products that are proven to sell that you can sell to? Go to, for example, Etsy and search a keyword like funny t-shirts and see what comes up, or whatever keyword that you're looking to create a design around. You can see what's selling well and then create one similar with different colors and font. So for example, this one right here, I got a Dig Bic. You read that wrong too. This is a really popular design here. And if we search on Etsy, you can see other people have created this design. And so there's no copyright on those words, but you can see that there's different fonts, different colors. So we think, well, there's a lot of competition with that. Not necessarily, because maybe somebody wants a certain color or certain font, or wants it to look a certain way, so they would purchase that. Or you could take the same saying and just change it up a little bit. Here's another example: may contain alcohol. This is a good selling shirt, and people have made it in a lot of different ways. And then some people have changed it to may contain wine, may contain tequila. So there's all different ideas that you can get here of something that you can do very similar. You can also go to, for example, Redbubble and search best-selling t-shirts and see what comes up, and make one similar to ones that are already selling well, such as "Hang on, let me overthink this," which I think is really funny. And if we search "Hang on, let me overthink this," you can see that not just one person is selling these. There's different stores here that are selling it on a notebook, t-shirts, stickers, a mask, and this person is doing it a little bit differently. They're using different colors, different font. But you get the idea. You can take something that someone else has done, and again, there's no copyright on these words, but you can do something in your own way. So you can do this over and over. Find designs that are selling well and create one similar to it, and potentially be making some really good money. And imagine finding some designs that take off and make you $100 or more a month for each design, and potentially $1,000 a month passively. I hope you're excited about making money with print on demand. There are people making 6 figures with this. Comment down below if you're going to do this and what you would like to make every month. And if you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up. 21 websites and apps where you can make $50 to $250 a day for free. I think you'll get a ton of value from this. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.